Okay, welcome to Lab 16, configuring remote desktop. Today we'll show you how to do a backup to a remote computer. First up, we go to control panel, user account. We basically create another account, family or the user. Someone has the PC. Do backup. One, enter password. Hit password. 3 pass. Go back to desktop. Create folder. Say backup 1. We're gonna share it. Specify people. Backup 1. Add backup. Rewrite, share, done. Probably. We show you how many accounts we shared it with. Okay. Now we'll go to the other PC on the network. We go to setting. This is the PC computer. We're gonna back it up. We're gonna back it up to the other computer. Backup. Backup and restore Windows 7. Create system image. Now we're gonna connect it to the other computer. Browse. PC2. It shouldn't be that long, but sometimes it took a while. Let's see. Yeah, okay, there we go. The top, backup, okay. Name, backup 1. This is the username and password of the other computer. Okay, we in. Click next. Sure, this is what we're going to backup. To volume. Next. Start backup. It could take a while. Let me pause the video here. Okay, we're done. Yes, okay, the backup completely successful. Okay. Now we'll go back to PC2 to check if they backup over there. Here's our file. So go. Now the folder is 9 gigabyte. Check what's in there. Just gonna backup it. Backup with a PC1. PC1 backup. PC auto backup. Okay, so that's it. This is how you backup remotely to another computer on the network.